jump up, spread eagle, and smash down. Nice, right? I see it myself. At the end of each belly pump, I'm going to ask you to do the scoring. We're going to start with a 0. If that was the worst belly pump you have ever seen. We're going to go up to 1 if they could have stayed in the windjammer and eat some more. Going up to 2 if they're so-so. 3 if they're perfectly average. 4 if they are doing pretty good. 5 if they are amazing. And only but, you have seen the best belly pump you can ever imagine. I want you to give me the flashing 5. Can everyone do it? A flashing 5. That is if you have ever seen the best belly pump ever performed. We have some also judges. All we need to see them up here. They are the Library of Disease officers. Give them a huge round of applause. They are the ones that are making our initiative so good. First of all, we have our marketing and revenue officer, Mario. We have our facility specialist, Cindy, keeping it clean for us all. And we have the second in command. We have Thor. We have the staff captain. We have our loyalty and sales manager. Give it up for our lovely Rima. And ladies and gentlemen, we have him here. He is the master of the navigator. Give it up for Captain Klaus. So, we are all set to begin our belly pump. Keep in mind, if you are in the splashing area, cover your nose, you're going to be able to breathe. First up, we have Jorge from Mexico!
Dad, come on, Dad.
You need to beat us time.
Take them, Dad, you can take them.
So we have our scores. Keep it up for our activity manager. As always, Houston. We have an incredible line. He can score all of you, break it down, and give me an average within 5 seconds time. So our first average is 1.889. Give it up for Jorge! Next up we have Ashton from Dallas. So Ashton, don't jump too high. We don't want you to get blown over. All right, so Ashton, give it 3, 2, 1, go! And 2. All right, so Thomas, what is our average score? We have 3.0195992. Very accurate. All right, moving on to Adrian, all the way from Texas for Austin. Don't come in. Give him 3, 2, 1, and play. Alright, so we have one more specialty judge. We have four, and a four. Full side, ladies, ocean is four. Four, five, four. Five, four. Flashing five, what are you doing here? Four, five. Flashing five. And a flashing five. So we have a score of 4.65. That's it, right out of Boston. We have Brayden from Burleson, Texas. All right, so Brayden, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! What do we call that? Butt pucker. That's okay. So we have our score for our special judges. We have number 4, 5, and a 5. Nice. So full time. What are we giving him? We have a 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Next number 12, what are we giving him? 4, 5, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, and a 2. Nice. So, pretty accurate. 3.5. Nice. All right, so we have our next contestant. We have Andrew from Pennsylvania. There he is. You all know him. So, Andrew, how's your presentation going after that game show? Andrew, you have 3, 2, 1, and play! Oh! He did not take the goods. Alright, so our specialty judges. What do we have? We have a 3, 4, and a 4. Full side, what do we got, Andrew? 3, 5, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, flashing 5, nice. 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 4, 3, 5 on deck number 12. Here's the other best view. 4, 5. Flashing 5. Nice. Look at this. We have an average score of 3.87654. Wow! Give up for you! Our next contestants, we're going into the heavy championship. We have Kevin from Austin, from Fort Worth, Texas. There we go! Kevin, you're counting it in. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, so our specialty judges, we have a 3, we have a 4, we have a 2, we have a 4, 3, 4, and a red card. Alright, so full side, what are we giving him? We have a 5, 3, flashing 5, 4, flashing 5, 4, 5, flashing 5, 3, 2, 5, flashing 5, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 4, and a 4. We have an average of 4.5993. There we go. judges. Moving on to the ground. We have a 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, We have a 4.997. All right, so we have 9 from
No se le van a matar los Reyes de la casa.
All right, so Marty, you're going to counter in on 3, 2, 1, and start! All right, so our specialty judges, we have a score of 3, 4, 2, 1, 5, and a flashing 5. They are very spirited judges. So we are going to pull down one again. We have a 3, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 5, 5, 4, 4, flashing 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 4, 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, and comes down. 4, 4, and 8, 5. Alright, so we have an average of a 4. Alright, so we are moving on to our heavyweight champion. Give it up for Danny from Oklahoma! Now we know where they are. All right, so 3, 2, 1, go! What is our average score? He comes in on an average of 5! Alright, so while we're coming in here, we are going to see who our top 3 contestants are. So, we have in 3rd place, give it up for Adrian! Coming up here, take your glory of the power right there. Moving on to our 2nd place, we have Omar from El Paso. We needed to pull down that belly after that off. And in 1st place, we have the champion, the international Belly Club winner, give it up for Danny! But you guys are not done yet. You have to go right up here. In order to complete this final, we have to do the final.